Let's talk to our first topic, and that is the cherry picker game. And Sergio, you cherry picked,
I
and
cherry
the
pick the shit
question
out
is,
of it.
can
Um,
you do better?
yeah, okay. I challenge. I challenge. Okay, first of all, I thought this was going to be an easy game. No, this is
No,
not. I'm telling you, this is not an
five
easy game.
5 seconds is fast. You think the 10-second timer on Uber is fast? No, no, no. 5 seconds is fast.
No, it's not just 5 seconds, Chris. You have to have a perfect mixture of what you're doing because this is okay. First of all, Chris, I read the comments. Okay, this is how some drivers backwards they are. You know, we read comments, right? And they're like, they say shit that I go like, what does that have to do with anything, right? But so some said, yeah, but we don't get these types of chips, folks. This is a game. This is to train your brain to be more profitable. That's it. Doesn't matter if those kind of chips exist or not. The purpose of the game is you have 8 hour driving time. Every time you pick a trip, it's going to add to your miles from pickup to drop off and your time. It adds up, it accumulates it. When 8 hours comes, this also considers for each mile you drove during P2 and P3, which is on your way to the driver, on your way to the rider, and to your destination. It adds those miles up, multiplies it times 75 cents, which is the IRS deduction for standard deduction for 2025. You have to be net profitable by $200 in 8 hours, not gross, net. That's the purpose of the freaking game. Bro, people go, oh, I don't have these kind of good paying trips in my city. I'm like, who gives a shit? That's not the idea. The idea is for you to be able to profit net over
Well,
$200 so
the
this
the the,
dude
the I
can pay his
there's
bills.
actually there's it's multifaceted. It's not just one. One, it's the game is designed to tell you how to become more profitable by taking a 5 second timer and seeing if the ride is worth it. Because they're actually, what I like about that is they're jamming it so quickly that even if you're looking away from your phone and then look down when the ride comes in or have to switch apps or something like that, then you're going to know what is you're going to have a better idea in 5 seconds, because the time that it takes for you to look, react, and actually like figure it out and then accept or decline is going to be probably just a touch more than that. So that's a good, but then it also tells you how to figure out and think like a business. So you're making profit versus, oh, I made $300 today. But what were your costs? How much was your cost associated with driving? And that you have to find out. We talked about the profit calculator and how you can figure out your expenses per mile and how much you're actually making. And this is definitely supposed to help you figure that out. So when it comes to the game, yes, who cares what rides are coming in? It's to train you to figure and think like a business, and it's to answer one simple question: is this ride profitable for me, or is it going to cost me money? That's what you
Yep.
got to take out of it.
Yeah. And you have 8 hours to be net earning net earnings of $200 or more out of all the chips that they're throwing at you. I also did, Chris, accept everything.
Uh-huh.
Accept, ran my 8 hours. You know what my net was?
$30.
$145. By not accepting everything, by the way, I played the game at least 20 times so far. Only 3 times I was able to beat it. 3 times. So it's not easy, folks. And the other thing is this is not in the app. This is a web address. So go to the video. It's under Sergio's Diaries. It's on the channel. The
Yeah. Well,
game
there's a link
address
in the
is there.
description too. Yeah,
What?
and the link is in the description also,
The link is in
so
the
you can go and play.
description because people go on, it's not in the app. Nobody said it's in the app. You're just making assumptions that it's in the app. It's not in the app. If it's in the app, only Android users can do it, right? Because GigU is only for Android users. This is for iOS and Android. This is to train your brain. That's what I came up with,
Yeah,
Chris.
because it's a
Train
web
your
based.
brain. Train
Same
your
thing with
brain,
the
folks.
profit calculator. The profit
Yeah.
calculator is also in web based, so you can access it from anywhere. whether you're on a phone, computer, it doesn't matter. So you could do both of those and help you figure out your costs associated with driving by using your car, and also by cherry picking and seeing if you're a good cherry picker or not. And then
Yep.
how you can improve and make it faster. So, if you're training something,
Anyway,
it's going to work out.
I'm challenging you all. If you guys can beat that number, this is my highest score so far. I had 3 occasions out of probably 20 that I was over $200. It's not an easy game. 229.89. If you guys can beat that, email me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. Take a screenshot of the end result of the game and send it to me. Maybe we'll send you guys something. Maybe we'll send you guys like a RSG hat or some merch or something. So first you have to beat me, though. That was my score right there, 229.89. Go for it. Knock yourselves out. It's fun.
Yep.
It's not train your brain, folks. Yeah.
The other thing too is, it's to get you to see, yes, I made $334 in that day, but my costs associated with driving is $104. So I only actually made $229. And that is what a lot of people do not pay attention to.
Yep.
And I guarantee 60% of the chat, if not more, think that their earnings that they made in the day is what they made. And they don't take into account anything beyond that.
It's 334, 39 or whatever, right? Okay, well, it's not. So this calculates automatically 75 cents per mile. I'm telling you, you guys are going to fail without a question. You guys go to play it, and then once you start playing it, you can just replay it and replay it and replay it, change your tactics, maybe take some shorter trips, because there are some trips, Chris, that it looks like $50, but it's 2 hours. So it eats 2 hours of your 8 hours. You know what I mean? Because you picked all the big numbers, you're going to fail miserably. So you have to do a mixture of all this, thinking what your costs are as well. So go ahead, send them to me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. Done.
Good luck. What's going to be funny is everybody's going to be much higher than you.
Nope. Okay, I challenge you, sir. I challenge Harry. I challenge Johan. I challenge Andrew. I challenge Joe. I challenge Jay. I challenge whoever is at RSG. Play the game. Let's see if you guys can beat me. Go for it.
Sounds good. You know who I think is going to win, Jay?
Absolutely not.
I think no, because he went from accept everything, the ant of all ants, to cherry picker.
Okay, yeah, he may. Actually,
He is now, and I think he's going to be king cherry picker when it comes to the game.
Think so? Okay, well, we'll see. Just whoever does it. I bow to you. Go for it.
Well, I'll send you my screenshots then.
Okay, go for it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.